right, guys, so we're moving on from singular and plural nouns. Remember, singular's one, plural's more than one. We've gotten some practice with that. And now we're going to move on to a different type of nouns, common and proper. So we've talked about this just a little bit in class when we've covered it on our language warm-up, but I wanted to take some time to practice it so that we can move on, because I know we did have a little bit of confusion over this. So a common noun is just a regular noun. It is not specific. So that means when I say this noun, you don't know exactly who, what, or where I'm talking about. Okay? And it always starts with a lowercase letter because these nouns are not important. They're just regular old nouns. So here's some examples of people. A common noun could be like a girl, a boy, or a teacher. You don't know exactly who I'm talking about when I say those words. A place would be like school. You don't know which school, or house, or park. Okay, so you can't really exactly tell which one I'm talking about when I say those words. And for things and animals, like dog, you can't tell exactly which dog I'm talking about, or computer. If I just say computer, you can't tell. So common, they are regular, and they always start with a lowercase letter, as you can see right here. Proper is the opposite. A proper is the name of a noun. So just by it being the name, we know it's important. It is very specific. You know exactly what I'm talking about. And they always start with a capital letter because they're names. So for a girl, I would say Brittany, and that's a specific girl. A boy could be Colton. A teacher could be Mrs. Stivers. People's names, you can see they're all capitalized. A school would be Tryon Elementary. A park could be Sloppy Floyd Park. You know exactly which school and park I'm talking about when I say those names. A dog, I have a dog named Pippa, so I chose Pippa. And that's talking about my youngest dog. And then if I name a specific computer, I could talk about a type of computer like a Chromebook. We are all familiar with those. That's a certain brand of computer, so it would be capitalized. So common, regular, not important, they're not capitalized. Proper, they are important because they're the names of specific nouns, so they do have to be capitalized. So today, let me get my computer. You are going to be practicing a common and proper noun sort. Hang on, it's going to take me just a second to pull this up. So it's going to look like this. And remember, when you pull it up, it's probably going to look really small like this. So go to your magnifying glass and go to 100 and it'll zoom it in for you. So you can see you're going to type common nouns over here. You're going to type proper nouns over here. And if you scroll at the bottom, that's your word list. Okay? So you have monster, Barack Obama, Miss Smith, school. And what you're going to do, you're just going to go, you can go down or you can go across. And whenever you get to a word, you're going to determine if it's a common noun or a proper noun. Okay? If you want to, just to remember the ones you've used, you can come up here and get the line tool and you can cross them out once you've used them if that helps you remember. It doesn't matter to me what you do. You don't have to do that, just if you need help to remember which one you've used and which ones you haven't. That could be a way that you could help. Okay? So complete this and make sure you do your digital writing journal and your reading work, and you are done for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.